So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So ayan nga, we just went out from hotel and decided to check out this place na highly recommended ng hotel staff. Ito ay yung Crab Pro dito sa Lapu-Lapu City. Daming nagre-review na super sarap daw dito. So let's see kung worth it talaga. Pagdating namin, ang cozy ng vibe, may live band pa later. Kaya, perfect for dinner chill time. We order a la carte crabs good for 3 to 4 packs for only 1,350. Not bad, di ba? Saan nga tayo?
Nasa Crab Pro, Lapu-Lapu.
So, after a few minutes of waiting, habang chill lang kami, ayan na, our order has finally arrived. Ang bango ng amoy ng in-order namin. Grabe guys. Crabs look so fresh and juicy. Siyempre, picture muna bago sumugod. So we took some photos and videos of the food. And of course, kami rin kasi kailangan niya for the memories. Ang ganda ng plating, ang sarap tingnan, parang ayaw mo na kainin. Magkakamay lang kami guys while digging into this crab kasi mas masarap pag ganun, di ba? Super flavorful, tamang alat at tamis ng sauce. Lasa, fresh seafood talaga. Habang kumakain kami, may live band pa, tumutugtog ng mga classic love songs and OPM hits. Ang saya ng ambience. Perfect combo. Good food, good music, and good friends. Ganito dapat ang dinner. Chill lang, walang madali, just enjoy every bite and every moment. Grabe, sulit na sulit ang Crab Pro experience namin dito sa Lapu-Lapu City. Kaya guys, kung mahilig ka sa seafoods, lalo na sa crabs, this is definitely the spot for you. And ayun, busog na busog kami. Happy tummy, happy vibes. Crab Pro, you got our hearts and our cravings satisfied. Till our next food trip. Bye guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel and food adventures.